Hey guys, Ashley here with Handmade Haven, back with another project showing you how I made this DIY serving tray. Let's check it out. So the first step is to assemble the tray. Here I'm just attaching the 1x4 select pine boards to the bottom of the tray using my DeWalt brad nailer, and I'm using 1-inch brad nails to attach them together. Once the box was assembled, I started drilling the holes for the inner part of the serving tray using my handy dandy Craig jig, one of my favorite tools, and my Makita impact drill. I then started assembling the inner box using my DeWalt brad nailer again. To attach the inner box to my serving tray, I used Craig screws, and I changed out the Craig bit and just screwed it down into the bigger tray. Once the inner tray is all screwed down, it is time to insert the floral foam. As you can see here, I'm just cutting down the foam so that it will fit around the corners. It doesn't have to be perfect here. As you can see, there are a lot of gaps, but as long as you get good coverage, that's good enough. And as you can see, I'm just applying a little bit of hot glue just so the foam can stay firm into the tray. Now that the foam is all in place, I will start taking the picket fences and applying them to the serving tray. Now I'm using hot glue to put these on the serving tray, so when you're doing this, make sure that you don't put the hot glue too far up because the top of the picket fence will be going over the wood a little bit. But just put hot glue on every other picket fence and it should be good enough to stick to the wood. And I just continue this all the way around. I cut the wood so that the picket fences would be the exact length of 2 of the picket fences. So if you want to make it bigger or smaller, just make sure you're measuring your wood so that it's even all the way around. Now here is the fun part. This is where you can really make it personal, really have some fun with this project. As you can see, I have some artificial flowers. I'm just kind of taking the tops off and I'm inserting the stems into the foam so it can kind of look like a flowery garden. I used, pink flowers, yellow flowers, some greenery in there. So you can have fun with this part, do whatever kind of flower arrangement you want, but I love the way it's turning out. It looks so good. That is what I call a serving tray. I'm loving how it's turning out, guys. Now the next step is just to paint the bottom of it white. I felt like it would just look better than the natural wood. Probably would be better if I used tape, but I got lazy at the end. And that's it, guys. The DIY serving tray came out amazing. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more projects and tutorials, check out handmade-haven.com. All right, guys, later.